In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add videos in Hubspot. Whether you're showcasing your latest product, sharing customer testimonials, or just adding some dynamic content to your page, embedding videos is a fantastic way to engage your audience. So, let's dive right into it and see how you can easily incorporate video content into your Hubspot pages in just a few short minutes. First things first, you need to navigate to Hubspot. Start by opening your preferred web browser and typing in www.hubspot.com. Once you're there, click on the login button to access your account. This will direct you to the Hubspot dashboard, the central hub where you can manage all your content and marketing efforts. Next, you want to locate the section labeled Content in the top navigation menu. Hover over this and you'll see a few options unfold. You should choose either website and then either website pages or landing pages depending on where you wish to add your video. This will bring you to a list of all your existing pages. Now, it's decision time. You'll need to decide if you want to edit an existing page or start from scratch by creating a new one. Click on the relevant page you want to modify or hit that new page button. Once you are in the page editor, you'll see something called a module. Here you actually have two choices, either select a rich text module or use a video module if you're working with the drag and drop editor. The rich text module is versatile if you'd like to combine text with your video, while the video module focuses solely on your video content. If you decide to go with a rich text module, click inside the module to activate it. You should see a toolbar pop up filled with various editing options. Look for the insert video icon. It resembles a small play button. Click this icon to proceed to the next step. Now it's time to grab the video link you want to embed. Whether your video is hosted on YouTube, Vimeo, or Vidyard, simply copy the link from the respective platform. Once you have your link, paste it into the space provided by Hubspot. The best part, Hubspot is quite savvy. It automatically embeds the video for you, taking care of complex coding or formatting that you might typically expect with video integrations. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you've successfully added a video to your Hubspot page. Take a moment to preview the page to ensure everything looks great. If you're satisfied, go ahead and publish your changes. Congratulations, your content is now more engaging and ready to captivate your audience. Adding videos has never been easier, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and guides on maximizing your HubSpot potential.